Front, back, depth, and width may all be confusing when measuring an SKB shipping case, as they can be relative terms depending on the direction the case is being packed or used. SKB measures the rack mount and shock mount shipping cases just like a standard rack. The big difference is the rotomolded protective case surrounding the rack, which is different from a rack in your IT room, and you may need to account for that in your project. Once you remove the front or rear lids, internal usable dimensions are measured by racking U, the left to right measurement of standard EIA 19-inch width and depth by the distance from front to rear rail. Note, an item can extend into the front or rear lid a few inches if necessary. Each model has different lid depths. It is important to understand the external dimensions of the case because if you are shipping multiple cases, stacking them or shipping them alone, you will need to understand the cubic dimensions to know how many will fit into the shipping area available. Even if you are not shipping multiples, UPS and FedEx may charge by dimensional weight rather than actual weight. You can have a big surprise in shipping costs if you do not account for dimensional weight. The external dimensions will include the removable front and rear lid and the extra width and depth of the case surrounding the rack. To figure cubic dimensions when filling a truck or crate, multiply the external width by height by depth. A case measuring 24 inches high by 30 inches deep by 24 inches wide will equal 17,280 cubic inches. A truck bed that is 8 feet wide by 12 feet deep by 12 feet high will hold 1,990,656 cubic inches. Divided by 17,280, you can put approximately 115 cases inside this truck. The Rackmount Solutions website will show the dimensions of each size and style of the rack mount and shock mount case. Remember to measure inside dimensions like a regular rack. Measure external dimensions including front and back lids. Measure dimensions in cubic inches if stacking multiples in tight areas. Call Rackmount Solutions at 866-207-6631 if you want help selecting the right SKB case for you.